How to SEO optimize your YouTube videos, foolproof process. Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video you're going to learn the SEO process that's going to get you so many views on your videos. And if you don't do the things in here, you won't get any views on your videos. So if you've been frustrated, if you've been making videos and nobody's watching them, nobody's commenting, nobody's liking, it's probably because you've missed one of these steps. So at the end of this video you'll know what to do, you can breathe a sigh of relief, and you'll know that people are going to watch your videos from now on. All right, so let's jump right into this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that big red button down there, turn it from red to gray. If it's already gray, there should be a bell by it. Make sure you ring it. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live, so you don't miss a thing. Or if I upload a video, we'll also tell you about that. All right, so let's get into it, and we're going to look at all the different parts. The first thing we're going to look at is keyword relevance. Keyword relevance, super important that you know this. Now it's really important that you use the right keywords, because when people search for keywords and yours are tagged on your videos will come up. That's what you want to do. So let's look at all the steps of the processes. I'll put something on the screen for you to read so you can read along with me. The first part is to write a great title. The title of your video should incorporate keywords that best describe its content. Next to the thumbnail, this is one of the first things people notice and consider when deciding to click. Next up, use video tags. Tags are part of your video publication that contain all of the keywords that relate to your video. While your title contains 2 to 3 main keywords, you can use tags to provide more information that speaks to your audience and your brand. Next up, fill out your video description. Gosh, a lot of people don't even have descriptions. I don't know why. It would be a mistake to limit your description to a few sentences and a link back to your website. Anything that gives your audience context to your video, such as links to similar content, content summaries, or calls to action, helps SEO optimize your video. When appropriate, consider using closed captions or uploading a video transcript. Guys, I think this is so important. I would have this on every single video. Closed captions and transcripts can also contain keywords and help describe your video in a similar way that the video description does. Next thing I'm going to tell you is have quality videos. Okay, just have quality videos. Don't make a video that's not high quality. Now in the beginning you're gonna have a hard time, it's going to be difficult, but the more you do this, the more you try to improve upon it, the better you're going to get. Look at some of your competitors out there, pick their top videos, go to their videos and sort it by most viewed. Look at that video and think about how you can improve that video. Could you put more content into it? Could you put more edits into it? Could you give more information? Could you make that video longer? What could you do to make that video better? And then go make your video. You see, YouTube knows when people watches your videos. They not only know when people watch your videos, they know how long they watched your videos. They also know if they come back and watch your video again. And all of these things really matter. If people are watching your videos and coming back again, guess what YouTube's going to do? They're going to show it to more people. If they show it to more people, you're going to get more views, more subscribers, and more money ultimately. So you want to make sure you make good videos. When you make your videos, make sure you share them on other platforms. Put them on Instagram, put them on, I don't know, Facebook, wherever you want to put them in your blog, but make sure you share them in different places. Number 3 is have audience engagement. What is engagement? Well, engagement is when they try to interact with you in some form or fashion. Maybe they give you a thumbs up, maybe they subscribe, maybe they turn on the bell notifications like I just told you. And here's the key to all those things. You got to ask them to do it. They will not do it otherwise. I didn't do that in the beginning. I didn't say, hey, give me a thumbs up, and by the way, give me a thumbs up, I'll give you a second. Did you get that? Okay. And do me a favor, one more thing real quick, hit that subscribe button there. If it's red, turn it gray. Did you do that? Did you get that done? Okay. And don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time that I go live or I upload a video. Did you do that? Okay. Oh yeah, and can you comment below? Can you put something below? Tell me what the weather is. Ask me about this video. Ask me about the next video. You see what I just did? That's what you got to do in your videos. They will not do this on their own. Unless you're Kim Kardashian or Kanye West, they're not going to be commenting on your videos unless you tell them to. They're not going to be liking. They're not going to be sharing. They're not going to be doing any of this. Now, if YouTube sees that there's interaction, that one of these things I just talked about, they're going to show your videos to more people. And guess what? If they show it to more people, you get more viewers, you get more subscribers, you make more money. Okay, so you want to make sure you do these things. Number 4, build good channel strength. How do you build good channel strength? you make your channel good. So here's some of the things you can do. You can publish consistently. Okay, now I publish on this channel Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I was publishing Monday through Friday and doing 6 lives a week, but it was a bit much because I have a couple other businesses. So I'm Monday, Wednesday, Friday right now. You can be guaranteed you're going to get a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I have them scheduled out a month in advance or 2 months in advance sometimes. That way, if I can't do something and I can't record and I can't come up with a video, you're still going to get content, which is what you deserve because you come to this channel to learn things. Now the next thing you could do is create playlists. Playlists are so important, guys. If you put playlist on your channel, and all it is like a folder, and you put related videos in it. So for this channel here, I may say this folder is going to be for SEO. Okay, and I'm going to talk about SEO on YouTube videos, so that would be an SEO folder. Maybe the next one is about emails, and I have an email folder and it talks all about emails. So any video that's related to one of those subjects, I put them in that folder. And here's the cool thing you can do. You can take your video and put it in 3 or 4 different folders as long as they align with the video you just did, as long as that playlist actually describes what you did. Okay, don't do anything that doesn't align. So don't go put your video in 10 playlists and 9 of them don't even relate to it. Don't do that. Okay, so YouTube wants to see a strong channel, so that means you've got to have tags on your channel too. Yeah, you've got to have description on your channel too. Yeah, make sure that you're treating it professionally and you'll get paid as such. Now I want to take a second and talk about time. Anytime I do a video, there's always going to be a portion of the population, they're going to say, JR, if I put a title and a description and I put keywords and I put a thumbnail on a video, it's going to take me forever. I won't be able to do as many videos, JR. I could do a lot more videos if I didn't have to do all those things. Here's the truth. If you don't do those things, nobody's going to see the videos you watch. If you don't have the keywords in there, how in the world, when they search YouTube, will they ever see your videos? If you don't have any keywords that match up, your video will never come up. If you don't put a title on there that matches to the keywords, how will they ever find your videos? If they do find your videos and you haven't done a good looking thumbnail, they'll never click on it because your thumbnail is no good. Okay, it's just a screenshot from your video, so they're not going to click on it. So here's the dilemma. Do you put out more product? Do you make more videos? Or do you make the videos you have right now better? Well, I'd like to say you should do both, but if you had to pick, I would say make them better. And the way you make them better is you have those title tags, you have the description in there, you have a good description in there, you have closed captions in there, you have a good thumbnail in there, you have good content in there, you ask them to comment, you ask them to share, you ask them to subscribe and turn on notifications and give you a thumbs up and all that stuff. I would say if you can't make but 4 videos a month, just do 1 a week and make them really good. Do it that way, as opposed to making 4 videos a week and not doing all the things that will make those videos found on YouTube, because if they aren't found, it makes sense, nobody's going to watch them. Okay, this is the thing that most new YouTubers cannot get through their head. All they want to do is make videos, turn on the camera, they want to upload them as fast as they can and say I've got 100 videos or I've got 200 videos, but none of them are any good. Okay, they're not good because you didn't put the effort into them. It'd be a whole lot better to have 10 videos than to have 100 videos. And I proved it to myself the other day. I started a cooking channel. You're welcome to check it out. And the first video I put up there got tons of views, and the reason it got tons of views is because I did all those best practices. I put a good thumbnail on there, I put a good title on there, I put a good description on there, and it's a recipe channel, so I put the recipe in there, I put tags in there, I did all the things I was supposed to do, and lo and behold, I got more views on that than some of the ones I did on this channel 6 years ago. And the reason being is I did all the right things, guys. If you're going to do this YouTube thing, it's gonna be work. I don't care what anybody else has told you. Yeah, it's possible you could have a viral video, and I've seen some channels, and I will be searching and a video will come up and it's got 10,000 views or 50,000 views. I'm like, oh, must be a really good channel, and I click on it and that's the only good video they got because they had one video go viral. And they didn't tag it and they didn't do descriptions like this. They didn't do anything they were supposed to. It just somehow the algorithm pushed it out there. You would do much better to do better videos. You would do much better to do it right. In the long run, you're gonna get more views, more subscribers, and you're gonna make more money, which is what we want to do. Also, don't get hung up on how many views you get. If you get 0 views, maybe you want to look at it, but if you get 1 or 2 views, understand that is 1 or 2 more people that are listening to you than were yesterday or the day before. And this will compile, because in the beginning you're not going to get a lot of views. Nobody knows about you. They don't know who you are. They don't know what you're about. But if you keep doing videos, you'll find that maybe you get 5 views, maybe you'll get 10 views, maybe you'll get 40 views, maybe one of them gets 100 or 200 views. I've got videos that have 100,000 views. I don't have any that have millions, because the subject matter I talk about making money online is not for everybody. My message is not for everybody. My message is you got to work hard, and this stuff's difficult, but I can show you how to make millions of dollars. They don't want to hear the first part. They want to hear the second part about making millions of dollars. Everybody wants to make that, but very few people really want to put in the effort. The truth is, the people that really make the money always put in the effort. They don't always tell you that. A lot of the gurus will tell you all you got to do is follow me and buy my program and buy my course and do what I tell you to do, and you're going to make all this money and you're not going to have to work. As soon as somebody tells you you're not going to have to work, or that they're going to do everything for you if you just pay them a fee, you know you're being scammed. You got to know this, right? If it was so easy to make money, why would they do it for you? Why wouldn't they just do it for themselves? Why would they help you out? Because they're not, because they can't, because they're collecting money from you and telling you they're going to make you rich, and the way they're getting rich is collecting money from you. So I do have courses, I sell courses, and they're good courses, but my message is you're going to have to work hard, and if hard work isn't in your game plan, this channel ain't for you. And I just want to throw that out there, because some of you may watch me and think, oh wow, this is so easy. It's not easy. It's hard. I'm on my 7th video I've recorded today. I started at 7:30 this morning, and it's now 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've taken time out for lunch, and that's it. And I've got to work to probably 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. So there's the glamorous life, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot out of it, and if you have any questions and I can help you, I will seriously help you out. Put your comments below, put your questions below. If you just want to say hi to me and tell me what the weather's like in your town, go ahead, do it. I'll probably comment back, and I may ask you a question, or I'll share my weather with you too. Okay, hey, give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. Turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys, and I really do appreciate you guys one-on-one. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.